Artificial intelligence, a growing field of study. Channel, dig dig talk, theme, educational, inspiring. Clear, background music fades in, modern, touchy vibe. Hey, hey. Welcome back to Dig Dig Talk, where we dig deep into topics that matter. Today, we re-exploring something that is not just changing our world, it is creating an entirely new one. We're talking about artificial intelligence as a field of study. What is it? Who studies it? And why could this be the most important subject of the 21st century? Let's dig in. Part 1. What is it as a field of study? 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Artificial intelligence. Or I isn't just a buzzword. It's a major academic discipline. In simple terms, it's the study of how to make machines think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Or sometimes even better than us. It combines a lot of different subjects: computer science, coding, algorithms, software, mathematics, logic, probability, statistics, cognitive science, how humans think and learn, neuroscience, ethics, and even linguistics. So when you study AI, you're not just learning one thing, you're diving into a blend of tech, science, and philosophy. Part 2, what do AI students actually learn? To 2 o'clock to 3:30. Okay, but what do AI students actually study in college or university? Here's a quick list. Machine learning, teaching computers to learn from data. Neural networks and deep learning, inspired by the human brain. Natural language processing, like how Siri or ChatGPT understands you. Computer vision, helping machines see and understand images. Robotics, combining eye with physical machines. Ethics and bias in AI is super important today. And yes, lots of coding. Python is the go-to language in AI. PRT3Y study AI, 3:30 to 5 o'clock. So why are so many students jumping into AI? Because it's the future. AI is already being used in healthcare to detect diseases early. Finance to predict stock trends and detect fraud. Agriculture to improve crop yields. Self-driving cars, smart homes, music recommendations, you name it. Plus, experts are in huge demand. The job market is exploding with roles like AI engineer, machine learning researcher, data scientist, and NLP specialist. And the pay? Yeah, it's pretty great. Part 4, how to get started in AI, 5 o'clock to 6:30. Think as only for genius level programmers? Nope. Here's how you can get started. Start learning Python. It's beginner friendly. Explore online courses like Coursera, edX, or FreeCodeCamp. Join iClubs, competitions, or even build simple projects. Learn the basics of math, linear algebra, probability, and stats go a long way. And if you're still in school, focus on math, science, and computer studies. That foundation helps a lot. Part 5, the future of data studies, 6:30 to 7:30 as AI grows. So does the need for people who understand it, not just how to build it, but how to use it wisely. Future AI professionals won't just be techies, they'll be artists, doctors, teachers, and ethicists, because AI is going to be everywhere and we'll need all kinds of minds to shape it responsibly. So, is AI a field for you? If you're curious, creative, and ready to solve real-world problems, maybe it is. Let me know in the comments. Would you study AI? Or do you think it's too risky to give machines so much power? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here on Dig Dig Talk, we dig deep to bring you the future, one topic at a time. Outro music fades in upbeat and modern.